NVIDIA released a new driver to fix serious GPU fan issues, but now that same driver may be causing performance drops. If you recently updated your graphics driver, this is something you need to know. Earlier this week, NVIDIA released Game Ready Driver 595.71 to fix a major issue caused by the previous driver, 595.59. The older 595.59 driver reportedly caused GPU fan control problems. In some cases, users said their graphics card fans stopped spinning properly, which could lead to overheating. Driver 595.71 was released to fix that problem. And for many users, it did solve the fan issue. However, new reports are now appearing online. Some users claim that after installing 595.71, their GPUs are experiencing voltage and core clock throttling. This means the graphics card is not running at its normal performance levels. According to user reports circulating online, some people are seeing performance drops of up to 16%. It's important to note that these reports are not officially confirmed by NVIDIA. Also, most complaints appear to be coming from users with overclocked graphics cards. So this may not affect everyone, it seems to be a more specific case. Still, if you updated your driver and noticed lower FPS or reduced performance, this could be the reason. If you installed driver 595.71 to fix the fan issue but are now experiencing performance drops, you have an option. You can roll back your GPU driver to a previous stable version, such as 591.74 or 591.86, which many users reported as stable. Rolling back simply restores your system to an earlier driver version that worked properly. If needed, follow a proper driver rollback process to ensure a clean installation and avoid leftover files causing further issues. For now, since NVIDIA has not officially confirmed the throttling problem, it's best to monitor updates and check for any new driver releases that may address both the fan and performance concerns. I'll continue to monitor the situation and keep you updated if more information becomes available. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.